Hi everyone. Today I'm in Ludham and I'm making my way to How Hill. This beautiful peahen is just walking down the road towards me. So we'll just let her go past and then we'll go to How Hill. Just about to turn into How Hill and I could see through the trees that there's an awful lot of cars here today. The instant I park, I can see two cruisers heading towards me. So I'm now debating, can I get across the field and down to the river in time? Looks like I made it. There's a bench right beside the boat shed, so I'm going to sit here for a little while and see what else comes past. You're probably wondering what the running water is. Well, there's a dike just behind where I'm sat, so I'm picking up the sound of the water coming out of there. I'll show you when I walk back to the car park. The blackbird's preening, the ducks are preening, but as yet no further boats have gone past. Someone is thirsty. I think I'm going to go to St Benets Abbey now and see if there are more boats there. This is the running water I was on about, look. There are so many cars in the car park, but where is everybody? I only actually saw 4 people who came past me where I was, so perhaps they're in the secret garden or they've walked down to the Broad. I'm now on the road to St Benets Abbey and there's a kestrel in the tree and then there's a buzzard. The first 10 minutes of being here, I thought, oh no, it's quiet here as well. But as I say, after about 10 minutes, it all happens. Hello to the people on this cruiser who waved to me. I think it was called White Lady. as you can see and hear, the river's definitely busy today. Thinking about it, it was probably just quiet earlier because I arrived at lunchtime. I didn't think about that. The whole time I was sat here at St Benets moorings, huge flocks of lapwing kept flying over. They didn't seem to land, they just kept going over, and then the next lot would come along. I don't know how many thousands went past, but a lot. I'm back at the car now looking across the marshes, and that's Thurn Mill. It's been lovely seeing so many boats out on the river today. If you've enjoyed today's video, you'd be helping my channel out if you'd give it a thumbs up for me. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, perhaps you would consider doing so, as this also helps my channel grow. Hell Hill House, St Benets Abbey, and the moorings that are here at St Benets Abbey. I hope you've all had a lovely weekend. Feel free to share in the comments section what you've all been up to. Perhaps you also have a YouTube channel and you've been out today filming for that. It's just nice having any hobby, I think. I just like being outside every single day. Anyway, enough about me. Thank you all for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.